How to scan a document on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan a document on Dropbox. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go down here, click on this plus icon, and now click on scan document option. After you click on it, now click continue, and you will be able click allow, and you will be able to scan a document very easy and fast. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.